It's JC, welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban lifestyle and jungle survival. Today we're going to have a look at the JXE JXO Throwing Spikes. These are no-spin throwing knives. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so to help the channel out. Thanks. So I got these fairly recently. They come in a set of 3, but they also come in a set of 6, and I got that, but I only used 3 at a time, so this will be my backup. Now, 6 of them from Amazon cost $44 US excluding shipping, and that's actually a really reasonable price for the quality of knife that you get. So what you do is you get 3 knives in a sheath or holster like this that belt loops behind. You can strap to your hip or your pack. And then you can see it's really held very nicely, and look at this retention elastic band. I think that's just a simple but good idea. Now, one thing to note, when you actually disengage this, I found this out the hard way, you want to bend this back and kind of pull as you flip the ends of the knives out of the elastic. Don't just pull directly on the elastic. You can see I did that for this one and I stretched it out. You can see that's deformed, unfortunately. So the best way is just to peel it back like that, and that won't deform the elastic. But you have the knife over here. I'll just take out one and put the rest away. And you can see this is really fashioned after what you might consider a traditional throwing knife. Very slender, it's sleek, very well balanced, as you can see. The sides are not sharp at all, but the point is very sharp. If you throw this hard, it will pierce through wood and of course pierce through flesh. Now, in a previous video, I shared my recreational urban apartment throwing knife setup, and I also shared these knives, which I said are very good for beginners. And I still stand by it. This is the Cold Steel Micro Flight. Do check out the previous video in the link in the card above or the description below. But if you look at these two, you can see the vast difference in size, in thickness, and I can tell you in weight. That's why I mentioned that serious knife throwers would feel that this is a toy. And yes, it does feel like a toy compared to this. However, I also stand by that this is still a great way to start getting into knife throwing. And if you have a small confined space, this weight and this size is also great, just because of the damage that you'll be doing if you start off with something this big and heavy. So I still think this is great to get your basic technique, your grips, and just the concept and the muscle memory of knife throwing. Now, both of these are no-spin knives, meaning they don't rotate when they travel to the target. So this particular knife is 9.4 inches long. It's 0.23 inches thick, which is 6 millimeters. Compare that to this, which is 2 millimeters. The weight is 7 ounces or 200 grams. And this is made from 420HC stainless steel. And I found it actually quite tough. I've thrown it quite a bit and not much wear at all. And I was pretty surprised. Now, this is indeed a great knife. When I started throwing it with it, almost immediately I could get the knives to stick. Of course, it still took some time to get used to it. I still had some which didn't stick and had some bounce backs, but I would say that adapting to it was very quick. Of course, knowing the basic techniques and the basic grips will definitely help. I would say that it's similar to a musical instrument. Now, if you learn to play the guitar, piano, whatever instrument it might be, and if you're a competent player, you can easily switch to another instrument, but it will take you a bit of time to get used to those characteristics of that particular instrument before you really get comfortable with it and bring out its full potential. The same can be said of knives. And with just a bit of time, I managed to really get this to stick, and I really enjoy it. And of course, because it's heavier, you can get more distance. With a smaller knife, you can still throw. Of course, there is technique, but definitely if you're talking about longer distances, 5 meters or more, definitely a heavier knife will get you that distance and stick much easier than a thin knife like that. So I've seen other reviewers who are much more advanced knife throwers talk about this particular set of knives, and they all agree for the price, it's a really high quality knife. And personally for me, even though I do not have a higher quality knife to compare it to, I would say this is definitely an upgrade to the Cold Steel Micro Flight in terms of getting the more professional type of knife throwing set. And for me so far, it's definitely worked, and definitely I'm getting a lot of enjoyment out of it. If you're looking for an entry pair of knife throwing knives or a second pair after the Cold Steel Micro Flight, I would highly recommend the JXE JXO Throwing Spikes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.